When starting your career as an Android developer, one area you will need to understand is how Android projects are created in Android Studio. To help you get started, this video will serve as a quick guide to creating your first Android project. Although this integrated development environment, or IDE, is designed to perform several operations beyond just creating projects, in this video, the focus is just on how to use Android Studio to start your project. Notably, an Android project contains all the files that your IDE will need to build and generate your Android app. With the Android Software Development Kit, or SDK tools, which is a component of the Android SDK that includes a complete set of development tools for Android, it's easy to start a new Android project with a set of default project directories and files. Okay, so you've got to create a new Android app. Let's begin. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to start a new project in Android Studio. The first step is to launch your Android Studio. The Welcome to Android Studio window is displayed. In the Projects tab, your previously created projects are available. There are also additional buttons on the right-hand side. For now, let's focus on the New Project button. To create a new project, click on New Project. This opens a new window, which gives you access to many different templates for a range of devices, including phone and tablet, Wear OS, Android TV, and automotive. These templates come with a default codebase that allows you to quickly get started building applications for different devices. Note that the No Activity option enables you to create a new project that does not include any default codebase. For this video, let's select the basic activity template that works for phones and tablets. Once you've selected your template, click on Next. In the next window, you need to provide a name for the application. Let's call it Sample App. There's also the package name. You can leave as com.example.sample_app. The package name is unique to every app, as its purpose is to identify your app uniquely on the Play Store. You can also retain the Save location line, which refers to where you'd like your project to reside. Next, you are given the choice between the two supported languages in Android development, Java or Kotlin. Pick Kotlin, as this is the language you are going to use throughout this course. After that, you can set the minimum version of the SDK or Software Development Kit. Let's leave it at API 21. The API level is equivalent to the operating system version. API 21 means that your app will be functional for Android devices with an operating system of 5.0 and above. To create the application, click Finish. So here is the new Android project in the Android Studio environment. You can close any pop-ups if necessary. On this page, the project pane is on the left. It may take a moment to load. From the project pane, you have access to the project files that have been generated by the template and Android Studio. It contains different folders for app development. And that's how to create a project in Android Studio. You should now know how to launch a new project in Android Studio, a fundamental first step in creating your own Android apps in future. You are now ready to move on to exploring all the project files generated by the Android Studio environment and how you can use them when creating your very own project.